What's up, guys? It's Raf in the RAFCAVE. Welcome back to another unboxing. I was sent over a light therapy. All right, now this guy's here. This is going to give you 3 kinds of color temperature. Going to give you 4 optional therapy timers, UV-free LED light, which means it's not going to have any side effects or give any kind of weird condition. This is going to relax you. More like a meditation lamp. So with this, you can put it on your nightstand before you go to bed while you're reading. You want to put it in your office somewhere. Gift. You know, this just kind of stimulates a good mood, right? Gets rid of your winter blues, increases concentration. This has a timer on it, so you can set it to last a certain amount of time. Lots of cool things with this. So I'm going to unbox this for you, show you what's inside, show you what it does, and see if it's a good idea, right? Now I'll show you the back of it here. So we got 3 kinds of color temperature, right? Ultra high brightness, 10,000 lux, 50,000 hours of lamp life. It's got a USB Type-C connection, which is great. Sleepless dimming and brightening, or stepless dimming and brightening. Smart memory function. It's got that timer on there, and of course UV-free light. So I was sent this over, so it's kind of cool. Kind of cool to check it out. Never had a light therapy lamp before, so I want to put it down in the RAFCAVE somewhere. All right. Looks like there's no black pin for you today. All right, let's see what's inside. You guys get first look. Okay. Looks like we have paper, which would be your instruction manual, of course. Now you're going to have your AC brick, small USB adapter. You're going to have your USB-C cord, which is fantastic. Okay. Zoom in there, buddy. I'd say this is going to be about a 4-foot cable. And now the main event. Oh, it's kind of like a tablet size. Oh, this guy up here. This is going to be just a thank you, how you doing card. All right, so here it is, guys. HeimVision light stimulation. On the back of it, you can actually mount it to your wall, or, of course, rest it on your stand. So, kick back right there. And we're going to have your various buttons on the bottom. Your power on and off, your light intensity, and your timer. All right, let's get this plugged in, see how it looks. Yeah, I'd say this is about 3.5 to 4 feet. Okay, USB inserted. AC adapter. Power. And looks like it's going to be on the side, guys, right here. It's your USB connection. All right, you guys ready? Woo! Well, that's some bright light right there. Holy moly, that is some nice bright light. Okay, that's going to illuminate a lot in your room. Now, they recommend not directly looking at this, which I'd recommend because this is kind of intense. So, I'm going to bring it down a notch. Okay, that's the lowest setting right there. Okay, I can sense that. Okay, this must be a cool setting. We'll press this power button again and see what it does. Okay, that's your on and off. Okay, now your timer. So depending on the lights on the bottom, now it says 10, 20, 30, and 60. Those are going to be your time increments. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and that's 1 hour. You press it again, and the timer turns off. So it's at the lowest setting now, so you can look at it. It's the lowest setting. That's fine. But guys, that's a nice light. Really nice light. Now you could put this somewhere in your room, your office. This will really illuminate your face or background. Nice light. Turn that intensity up a bit. Woo! 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 This is some intense light. This will definitely light up the room. And it really stimulates like outside, like sunlight, for sure. Down here. That's cool. Down the lowest setting. Now let's see if we can change the color temperature. Okay, so if you want to adjust the color temperature, you just hold the power button down for 1 second. Okay, now it has bright, warm, and neutral. Okay, that's going to be like a neutral, and then that's going to be your warm setting. So you kind of see that it's definitely more of a sunset, you know, with this kind of mode. I'm turning up the brightness there, and it's definitely keeping the color temperature, you know, the skin tone nice. It's not gonna, you know, white it out. But that's more of a natural kind of a color, so I kind of like this kind of temperature. But all you do is hold the power button down for 1 second, and it'll change the color temperature. Okay, that's your white, that's your neutral, that's your warm. Okay, step brightness or step dimming. Just hold the minus or plus down for 1 second, and that'll raise it up in increments. Okay, you can hold the plus down if you want to go gradual up. Hold the minus down, go gradually down. Okay. They recommend, you know, about an hour use a day. Don't go over 2 hours. Hour is good. Go for about 10 minutes the first time you use it to kind of get adjusted to it, and then you kind of just realize how good it's going to be for you. You wanted to have it like 6 inches to 24 inches away from you. You're like reading stuff. But otherwise, you could put this like in your room somewhere in the corner, just kind of turn on and have like a nice mood lighting. So I like this. I like how this entire wall of light, which is pretty cool. The entire screen is awesome. I like it. HeimVision, guys. HeimVision. Very cool device here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this little unboxing and testing video of this light. If you want to pick up yours, I'll leave a link in the description below. Otherwise, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. Have a great day. Enjoy life and enjoy your day. All right, guys. Home theater rules. Wrap up. See you.